Stop filled.
Oh, that's what I get for taking 2 trades. All right, well, that's okay. That's what I get, though. That's what I get, though. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm done. Oh, that's totally what I get. Oh, my God. All right, y'all, what's good? Let's get this shit right on the road. Let me move this shit over here. Sorry, I have no shirt. Ladies, cover your eyes. I lost 2 fucking trades today, like a damn idiot. Anyways, but actually, honestly, both of these losses are not terrible. I also, yes, I know, over the past few days, I've been saying I'm gonna take 1 trade a day, blah 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 blah. Shut the fuck up, all right? I only risk 1%, so you can suck my dick. The first one I risked less, and then the second one, I know I said $500 risk, 1% risk. These are 50Ks. So I still lost like 1% on the day. So I'm really not tripping. So you're gonna see, I literally like said, as soon as I get stopped out, I'm like, yeah, that's what I fucking get for entering again after saying I wasn't going to. But anyway, let's just go into what I was seeing, real quick, on why I took these trades. Are they the best trades? No. Am I mad I took them? No. I mean, the second one, it's kind of like you didn't really need to take that. You could have just ended the day at like half, like 0.5% risk drawdown. You know, like I was down probably 300. Where's that tab? Here it is. The first trade you can see, yeah, like 370. The second one took me to 512. So yeah, here you go. You can see it right here. So being done 360, being done 340. I mean, I didn't really need to lose this extra $150. Is really all I'm saying. But this first trade I actually liked. It really wasn't bad at all. Going into the morning, I was thinking the market could really go either way. I'm going to back this up a little bit because we just took out London highs up here. We do have London lows below, so I could be looking for sells, maybe. We also have this unfilled 4 hour above, and ES at the time was looking really bullish. Why? Because as soon as we opened up, ES was pushing higher while NASDAQ was pushing lower. Also, ES hadn't completely filled this new week opening gap. If I zoom out on the higher time frame, let me go to the 1 hour instead. Easier to see it. There we go. ES did not fill this new week opening gap while NASDAQ did. NASDAQ filled completely the entire new week opening gap, as you can see here to the left, while ES still had the rest of it to take out. So I was thinking maybe ES is going to take the rest of the new week opening gap out. NASDAQ has this unfilled 4 hour above. Okay, let's see what we do. So we have this 15-minute below us. We push down into it. Boom. So we push down into it. We inverse off of it immediately. Why did I not take this? Because I was talking about before, I don't like to take just the first leg inversion. We didn't sweep anything. We pushed straight down to this level, and we also just reacted straight up. Very strong candle, very strong displacement candle right here to inverse this gap. It does look very good. It looks pretty. Tap into the gap, inverse, but if we're not going to generate any liquidity or sweep it out or anything, there's not really a reason for us to go higher, because here we just could be retracing to go lower again. Cool. So on ES at this time, we were not inside this 15-minute gap yet. On ES at this time, we were at this 5-minute gap. So we were pushing into this 5-minute gap over here. Right here. Cool. So you can see that NASDAQ's pushing into this 15-minute gap. ES is pushing into this 5-minute gap. Okay. We push up off of it. What do we see next? I faded this setup because I was like, it's too early. Blah, blah, blah. This inverse is not inversing. Cool. So I wait a little longer. What do I see? A big candle. Boom. We sweep out these lows. ES is possibly still holding this 5-minute. What time did this end at? 9:40, so 9:45. Honestly, I need to start paying attention to the time, because on this candle, I did not pay attention to the time. That is what killed me. That was the wrong thing on this trade. Now that I'm realizing it, is that we were right at 9:45. So on the 30-second over here, if you remember, we had just swept out these higher time frame lows. We're inside of this 15-minute gap, and I see this 30-second inversion, and I'm like, oh yeah, this is it right here. This is it right here. Oh yeah, we're going all the way up, right? But above us, I see what, this 5 minute gap. I'm thinking, hey, I could hold all the way to this 4. To this 5 minute gap is still 1.7. So I'm rocking with this. I'm like, oh, I could just hold to this unfilled 5 minute, be done. Easy, clean, right? But what's the time? It's 9:43, 9:44. So I enter at 9:44 right before the next high time frame macro opens, which is not a good idea. 9:45 opens, and we just go lower. We pretty much just go lower and stop me out. That's literally it. I get stopped out right away. It's just kind of like, damn, all right, well, I mean, it is what it is, right? And there's not really much to say, but I should have waited. Honestly, even though it didn't happen today, there's a lot of times where the 9:45 or just a 15-minute, any high time frame candle opens, will just open low, sweep, and then go higher. So there was a high probability that my stop was just going to get ran right here just because of this 9:45. We did end up just plummeting lower, as you can see. We do make a little bit of a retracement up, but again, this would be the same kind of, we tap into this next high time frame, this next 15 minute that's down here, and then we just inverse off of it. One leg is not something I like to take. Anyways, then we just start chopping around down there, blah, 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 blah. Where do I take my next entry? And why do I take it? I actually take a short on this one. This was like a really scalpy entry. So we have this 30-minute gap above. We just put in, boom. As soon as we put it in, we retrace up into it. Let's reselect this bar back. So we're pushing up into this 30-minute gap. Both time frames took out these highs and are in high time frame gaps to be able to push down. We still have London lows below us, and we also have all of this low resistance right here. So all of this low resistance plus these London highs or London lows. I really should have waited. If I'm going to really and truly target these lows down here, I should have probably waited for something higher time frame or something that was more significant, something that really showed me we were going to go lower. But we did put in this 5-minute gap right here. So we put in an unfilled 5-minute below, and then we had a little 30-second inversion here. Or not even 30 seconds. This was a 1-minute inversion. 1-minute inversion here. When I entered, I got filled. Good fill. Filled up here. So instantly filled right here. Stop at the high. TP at this unfilled 5-minute. Take the inverse of the 1-minute. But I got instantly stopped out. What could have prevented me from taking this trade? Honestly, just the fact that I didn't need to take it. There wasn't really a big reason to take it. It was just because I kind of still wanted to take a trade if I saw a setup. Yes, this setup is okay. What kind of could have faded me? I mean, this wick is pretty damn long, but I honestly don't hate this trade either because, I mean, this unfilled 5 minutes pretty probable inside of this 30-minute gap. So I really don't hate this trade, especially if we're going to then push above these. I think we had an SMT here too. Let me see. Yeah, so we also had an SMT at these highs because NASDAQ took them out while ES didn't. So we manipulate the highs, inversion down, 5-minute below. I'm rocking with that, I'm not going to lie, after sweeping out these highs to the left of us inside of this 30-minute gap. While also, what time is it at this time? And I don't hate this. Honestly, like this, I really don't hate. I don't hate this trade at all, to be honest. This is like we just swept out these highs to the left of us. We're in a high time frame 30-minute gap. We have this low time frame SMT with a 5-minute below. We also have the PO3 stacked up here because we have 1030 that opened over here. We pushed higher. At the time, we're about to close it, yes. But we're making the high of the candle and then possibly rejecting lower, which I don't hate. So honestly, two trades that should I have taken this second one? No. I'll admit I shouldn't have taken it. But honestly, this is what I like to see when I'm trading. So I don't really hate these. I lost 500 bucks today, but I followed my strategy. I followed my rules. I followed the things I wanted to do besides taking one trade a day, but I still risked 1%. So pretty clean day. I mean, we lost. It is what it is. Looks like we're going back and forth this week, you know. One loss, one win, one loss. Tomorrow, that means we got to win. Real shit. There's not really much else to say here. I appreciate y'all for watching. I know, like, I'm about to get on social media after this, and I'm going to see everybody got fucked. Unless some people, like, if some people won through today's price action, I'm super surprised, bro. Because this shit was ass, bro. Today was an ass day. That's the only thing that I don't like is that I took 2 trades on a day that's ass, buddy. Like, this could have, like, if this worked out, then I would be sitting here saying, oh my God, like, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Like, if this trade won, I might say, oh, you know, maybe the market just took a second to get down here. So I really don't hate taking this trade. It's just like, bro, the market was mad, like, butt today. Like, there was just no good setup here, in my opinion. There's no setup here that I like that I would take that one. So every setup that I like got stopped out, and it is what it is. Sometimes you just have those days. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Let me turn this shit on. If you like the video, give it a like. If you dislike it, give it a dislike. I hope I don't need a shirt on YouTube. I guess we'll see if this video gets taken down. But I appreciate y'all. Have a good day. Accomplish your dreams. I know y'all can do it. I believe in every single one of y'all. So I hope y'all believe in me. Peace.